Holy crap, I didn't have to wait that long for OCG match. Yes, and I'm going first. I thought I was gonna wait 10 minutes. OCG! Back with another ranked match. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in a video, or want to see the deck list, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link into the frames. Round 1. Dude! Oh, come on. Sometimes it's hard to, Oh, what the I clicked it. Come on. We got Prep. We're getting the Ben, Nove. I'm getting the Zayt. Why am I playing OCG? There's 3 Ben 10s. Yeah. No Dragundo. No Dragundo. Link for Link. Am I gonna be rude here? Am I gonna be rude? Zayt for Alf. Zeta effect add medium DRYTRON. Alpha tribute Ben 10. Special summon. Activate effect. Let me add another Ben 10 here. Ben 10. Yep. Bandage Ruler. No. Herald of the Orange Light. I think I will do Herald. Yeah. I'll do that last. Because I can still go into Union Carrier. Yeah. So I have a negate right here. Just in case he tries to Nibiru me. Oh, look at that. Union Carrier. Yes. Oh. Union Carrier. Activate effect. Target itself. For Dawn Knight. Do I remember the combo? Yes, I do. DRYTRON, medium DRYTRON for Benton in the Grave. Using Union Carrier. Kishki Shoken. And then Dawn Knight's gonna dump Gamma. Alright. And then Gamma, tribute Benton. Special summon from the grave, activate effect. Special summon from the grave, Alpha, and attack. Ben 10 is now gonna get that Bandage Ruler. There we go. Then medium DRYTRON. Decrease attack. Add. And activate medium DRYTRON. Ben 10. Using Alpha. Ritual summon. Okay. Oh, I can't do that. Damn it. Oh. Holy crap, come on. Normal summon, I will use 2 Ben 10s. Tribute summon. Bandage Ruler. 2 Ben 10s. 2 Ben 10s. Let me get another Ben 10. Oh, there it is. Let's do wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. Let me just boom. There we go. See, this is I don't know what he's playing. I don't know what he's playing. I really like this deck here. This This, I don't have no idea what he said there. What? English? English. No English. Oh man. I kind of want to put some drills in there. Well, this. Those are the only twos I have. Triple droll? Oh man. Getting rid of the droplet? Oh man. Let's do it. Make it snappy. Oh, go TALKER. I don't know where I should Nibiru. Herald. Oh my god, it's the math max. What is this guy doing? Oh, he chain blocked me. Did he chain block? Was there another chain link or no? Chain link one. Do I just go like this now? I don't know. If is he gonna summon again? Is the splash mage? Is he gonna summon again? Please don't. Oh. Oh, thank God, yes. Fuck! God dang it! Damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it. I'm gonna have to set all my spells. Oh. Anti-spell fragrance. You gotta set them first before you can I set my cards? Well, player must set card before activating them. You cannot activate them until the next turn after setting them. Turn and do. Please tell me I shut down his combo right there. Oh, fuck. Oh, that's it. Code generator. He's gonna link it off though. No? No link, just end. Just end. Yes! Toro! I'll give you 1,000. Give him 1,000. Doro. Yes. What? What is this? What is this? Oh no, what is this? It's okay. And man, I won't get the draw, I won't get the draw. Fuck. Son of a... They tell you to hurry up, take your time. That's how they try to make you lose. Oh no! Link it off, link 2. Oh, look at this. Natasha. Hey. Gamma. Let's go. Yeah. We getting somewhere. We getting, I was gonna do Zeta. We are getting somewhere. Wait, the original attack? To half of its attack. Oh, okay, so it's not just original. Let's go. Could just attack over him. No. Then we go for a... Oh look, I can just even take his monster right here. That's ridiculous. Yeah. Relinquished. Relinquish anima. Kokihatsu. Get over here. Oh, but I won't be able to. That's okay. That's okay. Natasha has now been properly special summoned. Then I'll go into a Virilisk. Can I set the... It's kind of hard to set. Like, what the heck, dude? Battle. Virilisk. Direct attack. Twice. I could attack twice. It has 2 materials. 200 per material. Relinquish anima. Direct attack. Okay, main phase 2. We'll go into a downward. There's only 1 downward in here. Oh. And then Zeus. It's over. Turn and Let's Duel wins. Flawless victory. Ooh, I'm doing better than TCG. Yeah, I'm doing better than OCG. What the heck? Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.